My mother had so many ways to try to get away. Some days she would just run off, others only part of her would stay. At times she swallowed tablets to try to get relief, sunk in a depression born of unspoken grief. All the things we think we know, judging people are what they show, but underneath we're all just the same, fragile children trying to make it through the pain. My mother had so many ways to cope with every day. Mostly she lit up the smoke, sometimes danced the night away. She bet on pools and horses, looking for a way out, to escape the poverty, uncertainty and doubt. All the things we think we know, judging people are what they show, but underneath we're all just the same, fragile children trying to make it through the pain. Often we can't really see until we know our history, that after the loss is past, it's the love that always lasts. My mother did so many things to try to help us through, raised 9 kids in tougher times, taught us all she knew, worked hard every single day, cooked and cleaned and tried to be the mother she had lost when she was just a child. All the things we think we know, judging people by what they show, but underneath we're all just the same, fragile children trying to make it through the pain. All the things we think we know, judging people by what they show, but underneath we're all just the same, fragile children trying to make it through the pain, trying to make it through